School's out for the summer, and what kid wouldn't love the treehouse of their dreams in the backyard? One Austin boy never thought he'd get that wish until some folks came along and changed that. 7-year-old Hayden Trigg loves playing with his siblings, but it's not always easy. Hayden lives with Spina Bifida and Cerebral Palsy. When the Make-A-Wish Foundation came along, Hayden asked for a treehouse.
For Hayden's wish to be able to share it with his friends and his siblings was really wonderful.
But building a wheelchair-accessible treehouse is no easy task. Rob Saluri of Austin Tree Houses had to get creative.
I was just struck by how much adversity this little boy had been through in his just young 7 years, and just thought it would be just a great project to be associated with.
A 65-foot ramp up to the treehouse is now part of the fun.
For the whole family to get to enjoy it was really a wonderful thing, that it's not just his wish, but it was to share with the family and friends, and something that can just go on for a long time.
Here's the fire truck, Garrett.
Hayden's friends and siblings now have a place to play all summer, and it's a reminder for his family to embrace every moment.
He went through 3 months in the hospital last year, and there were times where we didn't know if he'd get to see the treehouse. So we know to enjoy every moment.
He's getting way dizzy.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yes.